marketplace is also extremely busy. As you'll see with this information, pending sales continue to skyrocket throughout the marketplace. And while we have seen an increase in the number of new listings to help feed that demand, that's tapered off a little bit. So definitely an interesting time. If you've got an interest in the market, it's requiring that we act fairly quickly and fairly strongly in order to secure a contract of sale, which we're working diligently with our buyer clients in doing that. We also just finished up an unusual year of Heritage. The RBC Heritage took place this last week, finished with a slight rain delay on Sunday, and just a glorious representation and presentation of the island on that TV coverage. If you didn't see some of the drone footage, etc., it was just really spectacular and really highlighted the natural beauty. As you can see, another beautiful day here in the Low Country, and the coverage was just phenomenal. And Webb Simpson had a great run to take the lead and take the win at that tournament. So just a banner year from that perspective. We're really happy we were able to keep the tournament going this year, even though we didn't have spectators on site. Another thing that I just wanted to mention to you is we're trying to work our way through, and again, our story keeps evolving in terms of what's important for sellers to be considering. How do you maximize what you want to do in today's market? I'm running my next sellers workshop this Thursday at 4 p.m. Would love to have you come join. We're having good open mic, open video, Zoom conference and discussion, and would just really love to have you on board to hear some of the metrics of what's happening in the market, sort of what's driving the market, and ways to take advantage of that. And otherwise, we hope you enjoy this newsletter. A lot going on in the market area. We're always glad and proud to report that to you. And as always, just appreciate your time and attention and interest in what we've got to share. Hope you're having a good kickoff to your summer, and we look forward to talking to you soon.